The Little Chef. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a 10 years old girl named Maria. Maria loved cooking and trying new recipes. She spent most of her free time helping her mother in kitchen. One day, Maria had an idea. "Mom, I want to start a food business," she exclaimed. Her mother smiled. "That's wonderful, Maria. What kind of food do you want to sell?" Maria thought for a moment. "I'll make empanadas, cookies, sandwiches, and I'll sell them at the village market." With her mother's help, Maria started preparing her recipes. She made delicious empanadas filled with cheese, chicken, and vegetables. She baked sweet cookies and prepared fresh sandwiches. They are ready to sell things now. On market day, Maria set up her stall. She displayed her food attractively and put up a sign, "Maria Delights." Soon, Maria's stall was crowded with customers. She sold out her food every day. Maria's business grew and she became known as the little chef of the village. Lessons from the story. Follow your passion. Hard work and determination lead to success. Believe in yourself.